It's Sunday dinner and we're getting stuff ready for the week. So Arthur is getting AJ's favorite treat. Still rhyming in this dang on video. So he's pan-searing up some brisket. You got the container from where?
Food Line.
Food Line has packages like this of pre-cut brisket.
Already cooked.
It's already cooked, so Arthur's just searing it up. Y'all, and they make such great snacks. A good keto meal, you know, because it's a good source of protein. You might not want to fry it like ours, but you can also put it in the oven. It has a lot of fat on it, so it's gonna make some extra oil. But here's what he already has prepared. Man.
That's what it looks like.
This is what it looks like.
It's already cooked, as you can see. But I'm just heating it up some to make it look like that.
Oh my goodness. So just let me know if you're coming over for dinner and we'll set you aside a plate. Oh, look, oh. Ooh, ooh. Try to get some brisket in your life. Who doesn't love a good plate of brisket? Here at Carter's Eat, we believe in cooking. We live with my parents live with us, and it's a blended household, and we've got 2 kids late in life, so we have to cook a lot. But right now we're kind of cooking to nibble, cooking for the week, and it's a treat. We always have a good time. Get there. A good pot of broccoli. Me, Mom made the pot pie. Watch the video. It is going onto the pan.
My son is going to love it. My son is going to love it.
Love it. Yes, sir. I want to taste the piece. Yeah, I took off my bonnet, so my hair is soft and freshly washed. So tender. AJ and Arthur love meat, so. With some yellow rice.
Alright.
Not yet.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's there. I'll let it sit on this side for a minute. Okay, and there you go.
It again.
Some of this Italian salt we got from your sister. You know, put a little bit. Spread it over. And that's it.
There's the final product. God almighty. Jesus! Woo! I'm just going to steal that piece right there. Oh my God. Brisket for days. Arthur can pack it in his lunch. Excellent source of protein. AJ's favorite. And we ready, y'all. We ready to eat now. Kids are at the park. Come on over. We'll have plenty of food for you. Okay. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs it up, share the video on Facebook or Twitter, and tell a neighbor, tell a friend about Carter's Eat and what we're doing and how we'd love for them to be a part of our family as well as you. Subscribe today. Love each and every one of you. Look at the clouds. Look at the roses. Look what God can do. If he can do it for clouds and roses, he can do it for you. Stay focused and watch God. Bye-bye.
Girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Man, you better come get your girl, dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the counts are. This is how your night should be. All eyes on me, all eyes on the prize. Money supersized, G5 super fly, should be supervised. Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky. Keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind. Spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne, murder.